They said healing ends where medicine fails. But what if that exactly where true healings begin? This is a story of the heart, not just a muscle that beats, but as the center of our emotion, our faith, and our connection with the divine. Heart swelling, medically called cardiomegaly, isn't just about a physical enlargement. It's a message, a whisper from deep within the body that something has gone out of the rhythm, emotionally, energetically, or spiritually. Modern medicine can stabilize symptoms, but the true recovery starts when we restore the balance of life, the harmony between blood, energy, and faith. Every healing journey starts with release, not addiction. Just as a river needs to flow, your heart needs clean pathway. Through gentle detoxification, herbal support, proper hydration, and mindful breathing, we clear the toxins that block the body's natural intelligence. Cells die every day, but they also renew. The human heart can regenerate if we stop poisoning it with chaos and start feeding it with rhythm. Regeneration isn't magic, it's intelligent. Where nutrition, oxygen, energy, and belief meet, cells remember how to live again. Have you ever noticed how husband literally hurt with jest? Because emotions are chemical. Chemical shape your biology. Anger constrict blood vessel. Fear drain the kidneys. Grief weaken the lungs, and but peace expand the heart. And those who live with gratitude and patience, like a Prophet Muhammad taught, live longer, calmer, and more radiant life. In the ancient stories, faith has always revived the science called not. These are not made spiritually dimension hold decay longevity. When your heart vibrates with divine trust, every cell follow that rhythm of life. The holistic path is not escape from medicine. It is a completion. It unites body, mind, and soul into one sacred rhythm. In this book, you will walk step by step through detox, regeneration, emotional release, and spiritual awakening. You will discover how to strengthen your heart, not just an organ, but as the very throne of your spirit. Healings begin where medicine ends. When you open your heart to balance, surrender, and divine guidance. Get your copy Healing the Swollen Heart, the Holistic Path, Renewal, Faith, and Longevity, and start your journey today. Available on Amazon by Hisam Putra.